What's up, folks? Welcome back to an episode of Real Monster Fishing. I come out here to old Soap Creek. My cousin and them down there in the bottom doing a little catfishing. I'm gonna try to go down there with them. We're gonna see if we can catch something. I'm just getting my stuff out now. I just got off work, rushed down here. I can hear him hollering down there in the bottom. So my cousin, like I said, my cousin Dale, that's who I'm gonna be fishing with today. We'll go down here and see if we can catch some catfish. We'll see him in a second. All right, look. I done got down here with my cousin Dale. Say what's up, Dale.
Hey, what's going on? We're gonna show y'all some catfish today up here in this old backwater, but we ain't gonna tell you where we fishing, but we're gonna show you something.
He done caught old bull catfish right here already. That old nice catfish right there. He done got one already. And we're gonna try to catch a little bit more when we get up in this little creek right here. Y'all stay tuned with us.
Man, I was over yonder at Dozer Branch one day, and I had an old piece of blueback on my hook from the day before. I threw that thing up there in that creek and I had it set on a bush like that. That son of a gun took off through that bush, leaves are flying. And I said, dang, he done jerked my reel in. Well, my open face started going crazy and saw where she got in and get wrapped up in that line. That son of a gun, if that striper didn't go 30 pounds, that son of a gun snatched my pole through that bush, son. But he did a day old piece of blueback herring on the bottom.
Oh, day old blueback?
Yeah. Old boy up at Broad River, he thought about getting out there like that. And he said, Bill, I'll be out there in that river sometimes. And he said, you think I'm lying to you? But I've seen 15, 20 pound flatheads come up there and they'll nibble on a stick and go back down. And he said, you talk about a scary feeling, you're out there chest deep. But that took a bring some stripers out that river now.
Good if you fled, right? My mama wouldn't be nowhere near no worm, man. She can take off, brother. Scared to death of worm. Never in my life. She stopped the car and blew out in 21 times. She did. Get him out!
Your mama?
Yeah.
I said, know what to get her with next time I see her.
She said, what are you talking about? I said, what are you talking about? She said, get the worms out. Madder than a hornet, man. I was like, man, I ain't even mean to do that. She's like, don't put him in my car.
I called mine the other week. I said, I'm going to give you an address. And I'm going to meet you up at the end of the road. She come down there and I had them TT lights lit up. And I had the truck bed already made up with the pillows in it. Had the grill out. She said, I'm going to tell you something. This is damn nice here now. So I fixed her up old fishing pole. We got ready for bed and she said, you know, snakes can crawl up in these trees and fall out. I said, please don't say no shit like that. And she stayed awake a half a night looking for a snake to fall out of one of them trees.
Oh, God. Old man that got me bottom fishing, he died. He was working at, when we was fishing out there at the lake, and there's like a half wall out there.
Yeah.
He was probably in his 40s then. He got down on that half wall, still, and he grabbed that line on that rock. And doing this number with it, and I said, boy, that's one of the biggest fish in the world when I got that rod. I went over and set into it, and he was dying right there. Hey, he always gave me hell, man. That old man. He told me, he said, one night I showed up at Lake Springs, this back when they leave the gate open, you right there on the west end.
Yeah.
He told me, you might as well pack it up and go on home. I said, what are you talking about? He said, I done caught the big ones tonight. I said, bull crap, what you got? He used them blueback herring. But he said, as soon as I threw it out, it doubled my rod. 40 pound flathead. First holy pot.
Woo! That was a good fish, wasn't
Yeah, it probably is. All right, folks, we've got a lot of bites. A lot of bites. As a matter of fact, I'm getting a bite right now on that live brim right there. I'm gonna let him eat it though. Bubba over there done had 2 of them on the live brim, and unfortunately, he didn't get them. And Dale, he's over there getting all kinds of bites. But hey, we're sticking in there. It's getting about that time though. It's getting about that time to catch some more of them fish.
it? Old Robert caught a shell crack over at Murray Creek one day at the boat ramp. I said, put him in the bait bucket. We got up there and set out 25 hooks. First hook, boy, that old line's going crazy. I pulled up a soft shell. I bet that thing was 65, 70 pounds. Cut him off. We got all the way to the last hook, and something jerked the trout line out of Robert's hand. Robert said, Daddy, whatever's on that hook right there ain't going in that dip net. I said, I tell you what, reach right there and grab the line. When you pick him up, I'm gonna hoist the boat. We're gonna slide him on board. He picked that trout line up and I hoisted it. We set him on the scales at 47 pounds. He swallowed that whole shell cracker. And he was in 3 foot of water. And it looked like we would have seen him, you know, before we got to him.
No, I agree. You look like an alligator.
But I'd like to go up this, a creek like this up in there, and I'd like to go up in there and take the tent and stuff, just stay up in there with some bush hooks.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
You got a bite on that first pole right there. That when you got that big brim on?
Right here, yeah. Let's see what you got here. That's a kitty.
Look at that, boy.
I think it's a channel there.
Do you believe that joker swallowed that big brim?
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a channel. Sure, yeah. Channel kitty.
You believe he swallowed that big old brim?
Sure did.
Hey, boys, we catching catfish up here in the creek banks.
Yes, we are.
Look yonder. Talk about something good tomorrow,
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Now, why don't you look how blue his head is? Is it a pure channel or is it crossbred or?
Something.
June Bucky. Let's get that thing, baby.
It's time, though. It's definitely time.
Oh, yeah, it's time to get them. I cannot believe that thing swallowed that brim. Heck, that one's bigger than this one is.
You hear that?
What is that?
That pole off in them woods just got a hit. I heard it.
Now you hear
did.
some stuff.
Hey, it's got that bell on it. It started ringing. I heard it. Bubba, you gonna take off and get it? I don't care. If it starts to go, brother, go on down there and get it. You hear it doing this jing, 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 you better take off running.
Be honest with you, I thought it was a turtle bite.
No, I saw it. It was swimming. It was swimming pretty there. You can see them little legs flopping on the turtle. You know what I'm talking on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, got 2 of them on there.
2 of them. You want to get the pot full. They like that fish string. I ain't got but 20 at home.
I know. I used to keep my cooler on my freezer full. Yep.
Y'all hold down, boy.
Yes, sir. There they are. There they are.
That's 2 of them, ain't it, Dave?
Yep. He get it? Is he?
You got one?
Get him out. Oh, he got a good one. What you got? Channel kitty? Oh yeah. I left that pole back in the woods over here in Bubba. I told Bubba to come get it. I knew he had it. Back deep in here. What you got? That's a good one there now. Yes, sir. That's fine. Just bring the pole in off. Yeah, that's a good one. He got a good one. Yes, sir. Got a real good one. I told you to leave it back there and sitting like that, you know. It'll come get it. That was on that cut bait. Yeah, you got him.
How about that, man?
That's about a 3 or 4 pounder.
How about that? Let me catch him off.
That piece of cut brim.
There you go. There you go.
I told him that behold was getting a hit.
There you go. I'm glad to see him finally catch one.
Yep.
Was old channel?
Yeah, it's a nice little channel. He got him a nice one.
Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we talking about, Bubba.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's a nice one.
Woo, woo.
If you can't get that out, just cut the line.
How about that, Bubba?
Because I'm just going to put that on a tree and keep fishing with 2 over yonder.
Man, that's all right, ain't it, Nate?
Oh, yeah. I'm happy he caught one.
Yes, sir, boy. And you got your cut bait, too.
Sure does. Yeah, don't lose that.
Don't lose that fish.
Throw it right back out there. You trying to get the hook?
I go on and cut that, Bubba.
Yeah. How deep is it?
Nate, you got some
Yeah.
good ears. I didn't even hear that bell
You ain't-
ringing.
You ain't getting that. You got a knife on you?
I do.
Just cut that. You ain't getting that back. Dale will get it when he fries him up.
I guarantee you. You ready?
Yeah.
There you go. I thought that joker was on there, man. I heard him. Ding, 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 ding.
Man, I didn't hear. I was like, what? All right. Easy with him. All you got to do is slide it
People
over.
talking about my bells, man. Old Ken said something about my bells. Said, he said, them bells, they're ringing and ringing. I said, yeah, they ring, but they keep me from running.
Yeah, they ring a ding. That's exactly right.
They keep me from running.
That's right.
Now you feeling good about yourself, ain't
I tell you what, we get to miss fish now.
you? Yeah, we are. All right, folks. I tell you what, this video is near its end. We caught 3 catfish altogether, and we got a lot of bites. And Bubba over here, he lost a few of them, but he got a good one right there at the end. Look at that right here.
There he is, boss.
That's some nice one right there.
Woo-hoo.
That ain't bad at all there. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and narrow this thing down. Y'all make sure these gnats is killing me. Bugs, whatever the heck, they're mosquitoes. But y'all make sure subscribe to the channel. Y'all want to see some more good content. Hopefully me and Dale, we can get out and put out some trout lines, bush hooks soon out here at the lake. Y'all stay tuned for that. We'll catch you on the next one. God bless. We're out of here.